Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In our channel, we explore the most innovative and cutting edge developments in artificial intelligence. As you guys already know, I'm doing a challenge to reach 50,000 subscribers in 60 days, and apparently GPT is helping me reach my goal. So far, we've got a slow start, but I believe in AI nonetheless. So let's get started. Today, we're going to talk about something that's on everybody's mind: the impact of AI on the job market. By the way, this script was also given to me by artificial intelligence. With AI technology advancing at an incredible pace, there's no doubt that it will have a profound impact on the way we work and the jobs that we do. First, let's address some of the common fears and misconceptions about AI and jobs. There's a common belief that AI will take away all our jobs, leaving us with nothing to do. While this is an understandable fear, it's not entirely accurate. The truth is that while AI will certainly change the job market, it's not going to take away all our jobs. That being said, there are certainly some jobs that are at higher risk than others. One of the most high profile examples of AI taking away jobs is the transportation industry. With the development of self driving cars and trucks, it's likely that we'll see a significant decrease in the need of human drivers in the coming years. We're already seeing self driving cars, for example, Tesla. Other industries that are likely to be impacted by AI include customer service, with chatbots and virtual assistants replacing human representatives, and finance, with AI powered tools replacing certain functions such as financial analysis and risk assessment. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are also new jobs and industries being created by AI. One example is the field of data science, which includes analyzing and interpreting large sets of data using AI and machine learning tools. Another is the role of an AI trainer, which involves teaching and training AI systems to improve their performance. So, what can you do to prepare for the changing job market? First, it's important to stay informed and up to date on the latest developments in AI and automation. Just subscribe to my channel and I'll keep you up to date. And this will help you anticipate and adapt to the changes which are coming. It's also important to focus on developing skills that are less likely to be automated. These include skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Jobs that require these skills are less likely to be replaced by AI in the coming years. Finally, consider learning a skill in a field that is likely to be high demand in the future. This could include data science, AI training, or other roles that are emerging in the new AI powered job market. So, there you have it, a closer look at the impact of AI on the job market and some practical advice on how to prepare for the changes which are coming. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI content. Also, make sure to follow me on my journey of achieving 50,000 subscribers in 60 days. Thanks for tuning in.